Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to draw this whimsical little crocodile. Let's get started. I like beginning with the texture that covers the whole drawing. I'm using one of my texture brushes from my own set. You'll find the link in the description, but you can use any you like, even the default Procreate ones. When I apply the texture, I usually choose between overlay and soft light blend modes. Now, pick a base color and sketch a soft, rounded shape for the body and tail. Add the eyes, legs, and snout with a few simple lines. Instead of using color drop, I prefer to paint manually with the brush strokes. It creates a nice hand-drawn look. I love those little gaps between strokes. And don't worry, some of them will be covered later by other colors. Let's add some shadows. Usually I use clipping mask to keep my shading inside the shape, but this time I'll show you another way, using the selection tool. First, select everything outside the crocodile, then tap invert. Because I paint manually, I have tiny gaps in the strokes. This helps include all those areas when shading. I'm creating the shadow using the multiply blend mode. The colors stay the same. You can adjust opacity to soften it if needed. I'll use the selection tool again for the second eye to keep it inside the shape and clean up the edge with the eraser tool. Do the same when drawing the belly. Now let's refine the color. I want to make the crocodile a bit darker and give it a more playful, whimsical look by layering stroke in different tones. For this, I changed the layers blend mode to multiply. So it already looks finished, but I want to make it more colorful as we're mixing different colored pencils like kids do when drawing. So on a new layer, I add loose, sketchy strokes in different shades of green and yellow, just to bring more life to the colors. So that's it. Here's my cute funny crocodile. Don't forget to share your drawing and tag me. I love to see your arts. And see you next video. Bye.